This is Turd, a YJ with a Chev 350, Curry 44 in the front, and a Ford 8.8 in the rear. It's got aux lockers, half doors, the list goes on and on. Turd is pretty well known in our group. It's known for this.
That's awesome.
Shh, it's really quiet.
Yeah.
And it's known for this. This Jeep has seen us through many adventures and fun times, and now it's time to polish this turd.
It does exist. You got Dave's tires on. Skip the leg day.
Skip the leg day. It does exist, it's still running. So Dwayne, what are you looking to do to your turd? Your polished turd?
Fenders coming off. We have Genrite tube fenders that weigh about 1,000 pounds. Obviously we need to put the other tires back on because those look dumb. Comp cutting the back. Comp cutting it.
The brakes need to be done.
Maybe a little bit of frame fixing. Maybe a little frame fixing. We got the frame repair kit off of Amazon. Yeah, that's about it.
Just a little bit of work that needs to be done. So you think what, Mac next year?
What? Oh, no, it should be up and running in a couple days. Couple days.
Couple days.
No problem. Oh yeah, and I gotta fix my snorkel. Kind of lost it last Mac. I macked it off.
You macked it off. So it's a list. I mean, wash is at the top of the list and it goes all the way down here. It's a list. So let's get to it. Okay, Daryl, how many times have you washed this thing already?
Once and a half.
Once and a half. Right now, they are working on, we're in Daryl's garage, and they are putting new fenders, well, new to us fenders, on Turd here. You're very dirty. This is what happens when I leave you alone.
No, this happens when you work on Turd. You're gonna get dirty. You're gonna get Turd on you. That's what's gonna happen. You work on Turd. Turd shows its love by giving some back. So over the stock fenders, it gave it, and just by putting on the fender,
Yeah?
like this, gives an extra inch of clearance.
Wow. Cool. So the build on Turd is going as expected. It took off the rock rails that were on it, and I mean, like, it's like a 90 YJ, so you expect to see this kind of deterioration, right? But what you don't expect is to be able to put your hand in it, so it needs a little sheet metal. A little bit. So the body work has begun. You can't put your hand through here anymore, but it is an OEEP now.
It's okay. It's all going to be covered with armor anyways.
There's nothing on the inside? Seats are out? No, there's still mud in here. There's still, like this
read the list.
this
Go read the list.
mud is old.
Go read the-
Good job, Daryl. Woo! Woo! Poor Turd is just getting mutilated in this garage, but let's be frank, it needed to happen. Have you knocked anything off the list?
No, we're still taking stuff apart. We got the front fenders mocked up. We got the back comp cut. We still got to build rear fenders for it. We got some of the bodywork finished up. There were some pretty significant rust holes in the front that are now patched up, but we're right now in the process of pulling the axles out so we can service them. I have a front truss for this front Curry axle to go on. Yesterday we pulled off the rear leaf springs, pulled out the rear axle, got the gas tank out. Look at something's missing. So we can now start having a much better look at doing the rust repair that's on the rear of the frame. Come up with some good ideas for a rear fixed bumper as opposed to a removable one. Other than that, just plugging away.
All right, good work.
We have these repair plates that we're going to be doing. Welding up, we got to cut this exhaust mount off and reattach it, but they are 100%, they line up with all the already cut out holes, which will repair all this rust.
Alright, well that's a wrap for this video right now. We are going to have more videos on working on Turd in the future, but that's all we have for you right now. Stay tuned and let's see this beast back on the road. I'm just going to say this once. Life finds a way. No, it's not stuck in there. It is growing in there. Oh, I'm sorry, Treadhead. We'll get a new sticker, I promise. We still have the wheel.